Here is a simple and beautiful hairstyle for natural hair girlies. Hey crescents, how are you all doing? Welcome to a hairstyle tutorial video for natural hair girlies. And without wasting more time, let's jump right into it. These are the products that I'm going to be using in this video. Coconut oil, number one, because I love coconut oil, but I think I'll change it soon. And for leave-in treatment, I'm using this TCB leave-in treatment. I've been using this product for a long time, since high school, and I'm going to need water and a wide tooth comb. Water is for moisturizing, because that's the first moisturizer you need for your natural hair. And after moisturizing my hair, I'm doing a leave-in treatment, and then I lock in the moisture with coconut oil. Okay, so first of all, guys, let me do the moisturizing part of my hair, and then I'll come back.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher.
So guys, for this hairstyle, I want to have two big cornrows in the front, which are half done, and I want to have at least two twist outs again in the front. So this is where the twist out will go. I want to have this one and another one on the other side of the head. So yeah, let's do that first.
The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Don't forget to moisturize your hair as you go.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
For this part, you can do a braid, or you can just choose a twist out. I'm choosing a twist out because I love twist out. It's easy to do, it's easy to undo, so yeah.
The sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
I'm really happy with how my hair has grown. Like, look at that length. Ooh. This is where I want the half done contour to go. So guys, I'll let you watch, because I think you'll understand better by just watching it.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine.
A quick tip for my crescents: this is important because this is where we just get tired, give up, and leave the hairstyle alone. Please make sure that your hair is detangled, because I was here struggling, your girl was here struggling doing the cornrows because the hair was not properly detangled. Guys, make sure that it's detangled to save on time and your patience.
I'm so late, you sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
This is what I meant by a halfly done cornrow and a twist out, and because I've done for this side, I'll just go and do on the other side the same thing and then come back.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so...
Now that I have both sides done and the rest of the hair moisturized, this is the shoelace that I'm going to be using. It works better than iron, so I prefer it, and I'm going to be tying the rest of the hair together.
You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
After tying the rest of the hair together, you can already see the vision of the hairstyle, guys. You can leave it like this, it's cute, but for me, I'm not going to do that because I just want to juice up the hairstyle more. I'm just using these metal stuffs like accessories. They are silver because I love silver, so I'm using them on the twist outs and also on the cornrow parts. Let's be real, guys, these metal accessories take a hairstyle from basic to another level. Another thing, guys, that I wanted to elevate my hairstyle with is doing some twist outs at the back, and they are going to be a couple of twist outs this size, and then I want to tuck them in on the shoelace. The idea is to actually create a flower kind of something at the back, so I'll just let you watch. This is what I mean by tucking the twist outs on the shoelace. So far so good. I hope you guys have understood the tutorial properly. I hope I have explained myself nicely. And now, guys, let me show you the final results. And we are here, guys. I love my simple glam. It's glamming, it's glamoring, whatever. I love it. It's a simple everyday makeup look. And for the hair, guys, you need to just brush off your edges with a hairbrush or a toothbrush like I am using. And just like that, guys, we have our very simple and beautiful hairstyle on natural hair. You guys, natural hair is amazing. We are blessed with our hair. Our hair is so unique, guys, and the moment you realize that, you are going to love your hair, period. I love it. You can rock this hairstyle wherever you want, and look at the back, so cute.